Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eisen Tools. Today I'm going to show you something that looks like a designer spent hours on it, but it actually starts from one simple idea. These visuals are made inside Lovart AI, and the reason I'm excited is not just that it generates images, it actually helps you finish real design work. I'm going to move fast and build 4 scroll-stopping designs, and while I do it, I'll show you the 3 editing features that matter the most. Text edit for fixing lettering inside the image, touch edit for point and edit changes, and edit elements for changing a specific object without breaking the whole design. I'm screen recording everything, and I'll cut out loading time and repeated steps so you only see the parts that matter. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share in the comments which AI you want me to review after this one. First design case, a poster that feels like a real brand campaign, not a random generated picture. I start with a simple concept like a summer drink promo poster with a bold headline and a fruit hero image. I let Lovart generate a few directions, then I pick the one with the strongest composition and the cleanest typography. Now this is where text edit becomes the first wow moment. Instead of redoing the whole design because one word looks wrong, I click the text inside the poster and rewrite it directly. I can change the headline, adjust the wording, and keep the same style so it still feels like part of the design. This is the difference between nice image and ready to post graphic. If the font feels too loud, I rewrite the headline shorter. If it needs a better hook, I test 2 versions quickly. It saves so much time. Then I use touch edit to fix tiny details that normally take forever. I command click on Mac or control click on Windows on the area I want to change, like the background texture or a distracting element near the headline, and I tell it what to do. For example, I can clean the background, make it more minimal, or push the color vibe a bit warmer. Small changes, big difference. Second design case, building a mini brand kit from one product photo. I'm aiming for a quick pack, a post, a story format, and a simple banner that looks consistent. Lovart gives me a set of visuals that already feel connected, and now I go straight into editing. I use touch edit to clean up reflections, fix a messy corner, or adjust the background so it looks more studio-like. Then, I use edit elements to change only the product label area or swap one product version for another while keeping the same lighting and vibe. This is perfect when you have multiple SKUs, different flavors, or a seasonal edition. You're not locked into one output, you can actually iterate like a designer would. And again, I use text edit to make the text usable. If the banner headline is awkward, I rewrite it. If the subtext is too small, I simplify it. The goal is always the same. Get to something you can post today, not something you need to fix later. Third design case, a cinematic poster made for scrolling. I start with a base poster and immediately treat Lovart like a real creative session. The first change is the weather. I touch edit the scene and turn a calm atmosphere into a stormy one, instantly shifting the mood. Then I move to the text, using text edit to clean up the headline, fix spacing, and sharpen the typography without disturbing the rest of the layout, which is usually the most painful part of poster design. Next, I push the concept further by adding a lightning strike in the background, bringing energy and depth without breaking the lighting or composition. I then ask the agent to suggest a more professional version of the poster, and it delivers a high-quality, client-ready image. To finish, I make the weather rainy and add striking light effects, and the final result is something that would normally take me 2 full days in Photoshop, done in minutes. Fourth design case, transforming a poster into a blueprint-style breakdown. I start with a regular character poster and simply describe what I want. A blueprint overlay with a technical schematic feel. Lovart doesn't just recolor it blue, it adds technical labels for key features like the hat, glasses, goatee, and bandage, complete with measurement lines, dimension indicators, and even a color coding legend. It feels like something straight out of a design manual, and all I did was describe the direction. From there, I used Touch Edit to clear some visual clutter and simplify the layout. Then I push it further and transform the entire image into a clean, professional infographic style. The composition becomes sharper, more structured, and presentation ready. And of course, with edit elements and text edit, I can fine-tune small details, adjusting labels, refining typography, or cleaning up alignment without rebuilding anything. It's less about generating and more about art directing in real time. If you want to try Lovart AI, I'll put the link in the description. Also, check the pinned comment. And if you want the exact prompts I used for the 4 cases, comment Lovart and I'll drop them for you. If you want me to do a part 2, tell me which case was the most useful: the poster, the brand kit, Photoshop style, or the infographic. Thanks for watching and see you soon.